साईराम, आज हमें क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने हैं. आई होप यू आर ऑल रेडी विद देम. पहले एसपीएल के चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे हम लोग. साईराम. Yes. So whoever wants to answer will write A in the chat box. और आज मैं सबसे पूछूंगी. आज मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कौन बच्चे होमवर्क नहीं करते हैं. उनके मार्क्स काटना शुरू कर रही हूँ मैं. Question 1. How would Maya's life be different in South Africa today? Yes. आतिश है, आंसर बताओ.
Okay, ma'am. If Maya lived in South Africa today, she will enjoy equal rights to participate in the affairs of the government. Now, South Africa became a democratic country in which people of all races were considered equal. There is no discrimination now on the basis of color.
ठीक है. Next, what are the various ways in which people participate in the process of government? Anushka. प्रियतम. संस्कृति बताओ.
Ma'am, people participate by taking an interest in the working of government and by criticizing it when required. People also express their view and make government understand what action they should take. These ways include dharnas, rallies, strikes, etc. TV, newspaper and magazines also help in discussing government issues and responsibilities.
बेटा, ये लोग जो तुम आंसर बता रहे हो मुझे पेज नंबर के साथ क्यों नहीं बता रहे हो? बाकी लोग कहाँ से लिखेंगे इसे? मैंने आप लोगों से क्या कहा है? आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर बुक में से ढूंढने हैं. आपको इंटरनेट से कॉपी करके मुझे नहीं बताने.
पेज नंबर 37.
पेज नंबर 47. ओके, गुड. Why do you think we need the government to find solution to many disputes or conflicts? Himanshu. हिमांशु. आरुष, क्या आप अकेले हैं इस क्लास में? मुझे नहीं समझ में आता कि आप डांट खाए बिना एक क्लास नहीं चला सकते. मैंने कहा मैं सबसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, जब मुझे लगेगा मुझे आपसे पूछना है मैं पूछूंगी. डू नॉट स्पैम माय चैट बॉक्स. सलोनी, आंसर बताइए. देवांश,
यस मैम.
आंसर बताइए.
मैम थर्ड क्वेश्चन.
हाँ, पीछे का टीवी बंद करो पहले.
नो मैम, मेरे यहाँ तो टीवी नहीं चल रहा.
पीछे से आवाज आ रही है और केवल तुम्हारा ही माइक ऑन है. Yes, Devansh, are you back with us? एंजल, आंसर बताइए. ओके, नाम लेते ही मीटिंग छोड़ के चले जा रहे हो तुम लोग. भाव्य, भव्य, बेटे जो लोग मेरा नाम लेने पर जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं ये अपने पेरेंट्स को जवाब देंगे कि ये लोग क्लास में आंसर क्यों नहीं करते हैं. मैं आप लोगों के बार बार पीछे नहीं पड़ूंगी. अक्षत, मेरी आवाज नहीं जा रही है आप लोगों तक या आप लोग जवाब नहीं देना चूज कर रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर बताओ. Question number 3. Why do you think we need the government to find solution to many disputes or
Ma'am,
conflicts?
second का या third का?
Third.
Ma'am? Ma'am, second. Ma'am, second का या third का?
आंसर बताओ. Third. You can't hear me.
मैम मैंने अपने मन से लिखा है. मैम मैंने अपने मन से
ठीक है,
लिखा है.
बताओ. मैं ठीक है, बताओ तो सही.
मैम, we need the government to find. मैम मैम मैं आपको सुन पा रहा हूँ मैम, लेकिन मैंने अपने मन से लिखा है. We need the government to find solution to many disputes and conflicts because of the following. Disputes and conflicts block the way to progress. They often turn violence and causes damage to the property and life of the people. Government has to compensate people who are killed, wounded and whose properties are destroyed in violent incidents. Crores of rupees are spent on communities and commissions. The attention of the government is diverted towards welfare measures. Ma'am, done.
Anybody else? Okay. Anybody else? Yes, आरुष, बताओ.
मैम बोलना शुरू करूं. द गवर्नमेंट हैव.
साथ बोलो.
मैम पेज नंबर 39.
Okay.
The government have to control conflict if the conflict changes into violence, so it is very difficult to all people to live in area. The example of conflict is religious processions and celebration can be sometimes lead to be conflict. For example, the route a procession take may lead to a conflict. The government, particularly the police, play an important role in the getting representatives of concerned communities to meet and try to arrive at a solution.
Okay. Next, what actions does the government take to ensure that all people are treated equally? Akhil. Akhil. Alfez. Anushka.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer do.
The government recognizes this and makes special provisions for groups within society that are unequal. For instance, in a society, there is a general tendency to value and care for the boy child more than the girl child.
बस यहाँ पे स्टेप्स पूछ रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के. दिस इज एन इनकम्प्लीट आंसर. भव्य. आतिशय. यस हिमांशु.
Ma'am, fifth.
Ma'am, can I answer?
यस यस हिमांशु, बोला तो सही, मैंने तुम्हारा नाम लिया.
Ma'am, the government ensure that the constitutional provisions are implemented in the country. It makes law and enforces them to abolish all sorts of discrimination. It makes provision to provide equal facility to all classes of people. Promotion of education among girls and economically backward these are some of the action that government takes to ensure equality among people.
ओके. ये आप लोगों के लिए होमवर्क है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, टू मेक अ लिस्ट of the key ideas of democratic government. पूरा चैप्टर आप रीड करेंगे and you will make a list of all the key ideas of a democratic government. What was the other chapter that we had to cover this time? कौन से चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बाकी थे?
मैम क्वेश्चन चैप्टर नंबर 6.
बेटा मुझे पार्ट बताया करो ना. हिस्ट्री या फिर ज्योग्राफी. किसका? हिस्ट्री का. ओके फाइन.
किंगडम्स, किंग्स एंड एन अर्ली रिपब्लिक.
ठीक है. Okay, true or false? So let's start with Devansh.
Okay, ma'am. State whether true or false. First, Raja who let the Ashwamedha horse pass through their lands were invited to the sacrifice. True. Second, the charioteer sprinkled sacred water on the king. False. C. Third, archaeologists have found palaces in the settlements of the Janpads. True. Fourth, pots to store grain were made out of painted grey ware. True. Many city, fourth, many cities in Mahajanpas were fortified. True. I'm finished.
ठीक है. क्वेश्चन 2 आप लोगों का होमवर्क है, आप लोग इसको देखकर करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 3, who were the groups who could not participate in the assemblies of the Ganas? संस्कृति बताओ.
Ma'am, page number 53. Women, dasas and kamakariyas could not participate in these assemblies.
एक बार फिर से बोलो, सुनाई नहीं दिया मुझे.
Page number 53. Women, dasas and kamakaras could not participate in these assemblies.
ठीक है. The women in the dasas. Excuse me. Question 4. Why did the Rajas of Mahajanpadas build forts? अक्षत बताओ. Gaurik?
May I answer 4?
He joined the meeting. He left, I think.
Ma'am, may I
Yes, Devansh, बताओ.
May I?
Okay, ma'am. Fourth, page number 58. First paragraph. Forts were probably built because people were afraid of
build to protect their capital cities. This means that huge walls of wood, bricks, or stone were built around them. Forts were probably built because people were afraid of attacks from other kings and needed protection. It is also likely that some rulers wanted to show how rich the powerful they were by building really large, tall, and impressive walls around their cities. Also in also in
ma'am.
I can't hear you properly.
May I tell?
मैं ये वीडियो आप ग्रुप पर
May I Atishajan?
मैं
आतिशा बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
अक्षत, looks like तुम्हारे कोई नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है.
Ma'am, 58 page number, first paragraph. Forts were probably built because people were afraid of attacks from other kings and needed protection. It is also likely that some rulers wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building really large, tall and impressive walls around their cities. Also, in this way, the land and the people living inside the fortified area could be controlled more easily by the king.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 भी आप लोग होमवर्क में करेंगे. इन व्हाट वेज वर प्रेजेंट डे इलेक्शंस डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द वेज इन विच रूलर्स वर चोजन इन जनपदा?
मैम ये रिकॉर्डिंग आप क्लास ग्रुप पर भेज दीजिए.
बेटा रोज डलती है क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग्स, तो आपके ग्रुप पे लिंक आता है. आपको देखना पड़ेगा. और नहीं तो मैं आप लोगों को बता चुकी हूँ, दीक्षा का ऐप है सीबीएसई का, उस पे सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी अवेलेबल है. इन केस यू मिस समथिंग हियर, आप वहां पे जाके भी देख सकते हैं.
मैम गूगल पे भी मिल जाता है मैम आसानी से.
बेटा गूगल के आंसर्स पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. गूगल पे कोई भी कुछ भी लिख सकता है. आई एम टेलिंग यू समथिंग दैट इज सर्टिफाइड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. We will start a new chapter today. New questions and ideas.
This is the story of the Sakya prince Siddhartha, better known to the world as Gautama Buddha. Siddhartha grew up in the city of Kapilavastu. He was the son of Sakya king Sudhodana and Queen Mahamaya. It is believed that Siddhartha was born in a forest in Lumbini. His mother passed away soon after his birth, and Siddhartha was looked after by his aunt. At the time of Siddhartha's birth, some sages predicted that the boy would either become a great king or a holy man. The king got worried at the prospect of Siddhartha becoming a holy man rather than a king. Hence, throughout childhood, Siddhartha was kept inside the beautiful palace grounds, away from the world outside. At the age of 16, Siddhartha married Princess Yashodhara, and they had a son called Rahula. But Siddhartha was dissatisfied. He wanted to know what life outside the palace was like. Finally, the king conceded to his son's wish. Siddhartha was allowed to go out. During his visits outside the palace, Siddhartha saw four things that greatly disturbed him. These four great sights, as they came to be known, were an old man which represented suffering, a sick man which represented pain, a dead man which represented grief, and a monk which represented true knowledge. Restless and desperate to find a solution to human suffering, Siddhartha finally left his family and palace to become a monk and seek true knowledge. He traveled on foot for many years before he reached the city of Gaya. At Gaya, he sat under a pipal tree and began to meditate. Siddhartha continued to meditate for several days. On the 49th day, he attained nirvana or true knowledge and thus became Buddha, the enlightened one. From Gaya, he went to Sarnath, where he gave his first sermon as Gautama Buddha. At Sarnath, he taught 5 monks the 4 noble truths. Life is full of suffering. The cause of suffering is desire. Getting rid of desire will put an end to suffering. Freedom from suffering can be achieved by following the 8-fold path. The 8-fold path is based on adopting the principles of right understanding, right thought, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right contemplation or concentration. For the rest of his life, Buddha traveled all over India to spread his teachings. He always spoke in Prakrit, the language of the common people. He treated all living things equally and with compassion. Above all, he taught people to live a life of kindness and compassion. Gautama Buddha spent the rest of his life teaching the principles of Buddhism to one and all. He was believed to be 80 years old when he died peacefully at Kushinagar. Even after his death, his disciples and other monks continued to spread Buddhism in various parts of the world.
Okay, we will continue this chapter in the next class. So that will be all for today. Thank you and Sai Ram.
Thank you and Sairam ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Sarah, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. बुद्ध क्यों कहते थे?
Sairam, ma'am.
मैम बुद्ध को गौतम बुद्ध क्यों कहते थे?